Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bought something on Temu but want to return it. Here's the quick step by step. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet or Wi-Fi. Then make sure to install the Temu application and open it. And make sure you have logged into your account. After that, go to your orders and find the item you want to return. At the U section profile icon, you will find your orders. Here, if you have ordered something, it will be available here, and tap that items which you want to return or refund next to that order. Select the reason for your return and choose a return method. Then confirm your details and download or print the provided return label. Pack your item securely and drop it off at the designated shopping location. Once Temu gets the item, your refund will be processed. And that's how easy it is to return items on Temu. If this helped, tap like, subscribe and check out my other Temu tips, and I'll see you in the next one.